Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts alike. We found the Creality K2 SE 3D printer bundle, which comes with 2 kilograms of PLA filament in classic black and white. You can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Creality K2 SE? This is a high-performance 3D printer designed to deliver fast, precise, and reliable printing. With its innovative Core XY motion system, this printer can achieve impressive speeds of up to 500 mm per second, boasting an acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. This means you can print more in less time without sacrificing quality. The built-in vibration sensor and input shaping algorithm work together to minimize ringing and resonance, resulting in smoother walls, sharper details, and consistently high-quality prints, especially impressive considering its speed. One of the standout features of the K2 SE is its solid, die-cast aluminum alloy frame. This robust construction provides exceptional rigidity, which is crucial for high-precision printing. The enhanced mechanical stability reduces frame flex during rapid movements, ensuring that your prints maintain accurate dimensions and a professional finish, whether you're working on large models, prototypes, or everyday parts. Now, if you're someone who enjoys multicolor printing, the K2 SE has you covered. It's fully compatible with the Creality CFS multicolor system, which is sold separately. This upgrade allows for advanced multicolor 3D printing, complete with automatic filament identification, relay switching, and tangle detection. You can seamlessly slice multicolor models using Creality Print, making this printer a versatile choice that can evolve into a powerful multi-material solution as your projects grow. The bundle also includes 2 1-kilogram spools of PLA filament, 1 black and 1 white, which is a great value for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. The filaments are designed for smooth and stable printing, thanks to Creality's patented design and manufacturing processes that ensure clog-free operation. So, who is the Creality K2